Mm, I like it. One more. Mhm. So mga kabuso, good evening, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Mga kabuso, my name is Edwin, and I'm your bartender. So mga kabuso, for tonight, I'm gonna show you how to make Long Island iced tea. Yes, Long Island iced tea. For the Long Island iced tea, you need this all alcohol, like vodka, gin, rum, tequila, and triple sec, and sweet and sour mix, and Coca-Cola, and of course my shaker and my jigger. And for the garnish, I will use again mga kabuso, lemon will. So for the glass, I'll use this tumbler glass, big one. So mga kabuso, let's do it for a Long Island iced tea. Let's start. So mga kabuso, first, vodka, 25 ml of vodka, 25 ml of vodka, 25 ml of gin, 25 ml of white rum, and 25 ml of tequila, and mga kabuso, 25 ml of triple sec, and of course 25 ml of sweet and sour mix syrup. This all 25, 25, 25. It's very easy to remember mga kabunso. And then of course ice. And shake it, baby. Mga kabuso, for the shaking, 8 to 10 seconds only. And for your glass, full of ice. Full of ice. Almost done mga kabuso. Here we go, your Long Island iced tea. Your Long Island iced tea. Oh, perfect. And then Coca-Cola. Of course, if you don't have Coca-Cola, you can use also Pepsi. This is Pepsi, Coca-Cola is the same, only different is brand. Same like I'm using right now. Any vodka you can use, any gin you can use, any rum you can use, any branded, any tequila, any triple sec, you can use also. So here we go, your Long Island iced tea. Perfect. The color is perfect, same like a natural iced tea. But this iced tea is stronger than regular iced tea because this iced tea with alcohol. Don't forget, Long Island iced tea is with alcohol, strong and nice. I like this Long Island. And for the garnish, again, lime roll, and of course, your straw. So mga kabuso, your Long Island iced tea is ready. Cheers! So mga kabuso, once again, thank you very much for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And don't forget to share to all your friends. Thank you very much once again. And this is my favorite. Tasting time. Tasting time. I like it. One more. So mga puso, thank you very much for watching.